How to add a screenshot button to the navigation bar on Android. This tutorial shows you how to use GoodLock to add a screenshot shortcut directly to your navigation bar layout. First, open the Galaxy Store app on your Android device. After that, search for GoodLock in the search bar and tap on it from the results. From there, tap Download to install GoodLock on your device. At this point, once installed, go back to your home screen and open the GoodLock app. In the next step, scroll down and look for Navstar and tap on it. Following this, tap the download button to install Navstar within GoodLock. Once done, go back and scroll up, then tap on Navstar to open it. From here, tap on Buttons from the bottom menu. At this stage, toggle on Navstar to activate it. After this, tap on New Configuration and then tap on Button Layout. Once completed, at the top of the screen you will see the recent button layout. Tap on Add Button. From the list, select Screen Capture, and it will immediately be added to your navigation bar layout. Finally, tap Done, and then tap Save to confirm. Go back to your home screen, and you will now see the screenshot button sitting right in your navigation bar, ready to use anytime. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you add a screenshot button to your navigation bar, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.